this is Bill Cunningham, and on the street this week is what I think of as one of the delightful hidden treasures of living in the city on a summer weekend. And it's the Green Market at Union Square. You know, after being torn apart in the business world all week, and you're at your wit's end, Saturday morning you get your butt out of that bed and you go down to this market at 9 in the morning, and wow, it's like all your problems fall off your shoulders. You know, the aroma of the vegetables and the flowers, it's you can't imagine. It's wonderful. And of course, being New York, those people that go there, not all of them, you know, a lot of them, like everyone else in the country, they wore an old T-shirt and some cut-off jeans or whatever the heck it is. But being New York City, there are enough people that go there that it's just marvelous. They're styled beyond anything you can imagine. And they're down there buying rhubarb or spinach. And people are just buying this stuff. But the way they're dressed, I mean, 20 years ago, they used to come from the discos in the morning. They'd be getting out of the disco. But it's not that way now. These are people that are just, that's their style of dress. I always go between 9 and 10:30. That's when the serious shoppers, and that's when these pictures were taken. The women look like the flowers. This woman came along in a Mary Mako long dress. Now that's a Finnish fashion house that designed fabrics and started in the 50s. And I looked and I thought, I can't believe it's a Mary Mako. But it was the same color as the nasturtiums that the woman is looking at. And this little youngster holding a cabbage in his stroller. Everywhere you look, there's something going on. Occasionally the dress, like this long mauve dress, matched the flowers the woman was buying. And of course, this woman with her hair extensions, and it's hair extensions and horsehair tubes in all different shades of pink. I mean, that really blew me away. And of course, the dahlias in the same colors. But everywhere you look in the Green Market at Union Square, you see this wonderful individuality of style carried, you might say, most people would look and say, well, that's extreme. But it's very normal to these people. They wouldn't think of going out unless they were dressed. And I go almost every Saturday because I kind of get my bearings and my feet back to earth by going down here. It's a little slice of New York that's very old-fashioned, very special, and very romantic.